I loved my mother. She was a drug addict. She was an alcoholic. She was schizophrenic. But I never forgot she did love me. All the time.
심각한 마약 중독에 정신병까지 앓고 있던 리즈의 엄마.
Give me the money!
If there were no television,
It's mine!
he would go to
Bring it
this
back! How
one
dare
cell
you! Your kids are
protozoa
not
gets its
eating
name from a
original.
Greek word.
아빠는 평생 공부만 하다 취직 못한 백수에 가족들은 엄마가 받는 정부 보조금으로 살아가고 있었지만
Muhammad's flight to Mecca ended at this city.
엄마는 그마저도 모두 마약을 사는데 허비하고 있었죠.
Died just hours before they opened Ville. It was Gower Champion, correct?
그러던 중 경찰이 결국 집으로 들이닥치고
I'll set you on fire before you take me! No!
All right, where's the phone?
We don't have one. How about my father?
Oh, ignore her. She's a feminist.
I can take you anytime I want.
가족들의 무관심 속에 리즈만이 오직 끌려가는 엄마를 걱정스럽게 바라봅니다.
Let me go! No, no, no!
그렇게 엄마는 정신병원으로 끌려가고 그녀는 씻지도 않고 학교에도 다니지 않은 채 그저 시험날에만 학교에 등교해 간신히 유급만 면하고 있었죠.
Oh, Liz, stay here. How did you do that? You're never in school.
I read a lot. The encyclopedia.
그녀는 그 누구보다도 총명한 머리를 가지고 있었고
100.
Because you're encyclopedia.
Good. Now your mother's back.
다행히 치료를 마친 엄마가 집으로 돌아오지만 곧이어 엄마는 리즈에게 충격적인 소식을 전합니다.
Are you okay?
I'm sick. I have AIDS.
No.
But I can't live here.
그건 바로 엄마가 에이즈에 걸렸으며 치료를 위해 친가로 돌아간다는 것이었죠.
Be alone.
Lisa's already gone over. Just pack up your things.
You said he raped your sister.
This is the way it has to be now.
Stay, Mummy.
Everything was falling apart. I thought if I stayed, I could stop it.
게다가 얼마 뒤 아동복지국 직원들이 들이닥치고
Your teacher called. You're still not going to school. This has been going on for years. You're going into the system.
But things are better now.
She's got a mind of her own. She's a feminist.
Pack her a suitcase. Now.
I'll go to school. Please.
This isn't working.
My grandpa's responsible. My grandpa will take me. My sister's there.
And if he'll take you, you'll be out in 24 hours.
리즈는 결국 아동 보호원으로 끌려가고 다음날도 그녀의 할아버지는 나타나지 않아 그녀는 보호원에 살게 되며 어느덧 몇 년의 시간이 흐릅니다. 그리고 15살이 되어 보호원을 나온 그녀는 마침내 엄마와 재회하죠.
Lizzie.
When I think of my life, this is the time I like to think of. And we'd go to the cafe and sit and talk and... and for a while I had my mother again.
Hey, I was a good mom, wasn't I?
Yeah, Mom. You were fine.
Well, look, you know, I gotta go around the corner and see a few friends. Just be a minute. Just be a minute, baby.
그런데 회복된 줄 알았던 엄마는 여전히 알코올 중독을 앓고 있었고 예전에 살던 집은 폐쇄된 채 아빠도 보호시설에 들어가 그녀는 어쩔 수 없이 엄마와 함께 할아버지의 집에 살아가게 됩니다.
Adjectives and prepositions.
Is that deal?
그리고 새로운 학교에 들어가게 된 리즈.
Elizabeth?
Please don't call me that. Liz. Or Lizzie.
That's your name according to these forms.
Call the girl she wants to be called.
My mother calls me Elizabeth when she's going insane.
Liz, then.
다행히 리즈는 크리스라는 친구를 만나 학교의 아이들과도 금방 친해지게 되죠.
Kind of cranky.
You're never gonna win.
Okay, you know what? Shut up.
하지만
Is it 6 already?
Can you help me, please?
Yeah.
Oh! I'm a good mom!
엄마의 증상은 점점 더 심해져만 가고 있었고 이제 엄마는 스스로 몸을 가누지도 못할 만큼 너무나도 쇠약해진 상태였죠.
All clean, see? So where's your grandpa sleep? Here? He did stuff to our sister when they were younger.
게다가 오래전 딸들을 학대하고
And their mother, too.
이제는 엄마를 짐짝으로 생각하는 리즈의 할아버지.
Out.
Pops, she has no place to stay.
Your piece of trash father walked out and stuck me with the lot of you.
리즈는 그런 할아버지를 보며 결국 떠나기로 결심합니다.
That suits me. You'll end up trash anyway. Just like your parents.
You gonna leave me out here alone, huh? My mother was dying. My father was gone. I was 15 when I went out into the world.
그렇게 크리스와 함께 집을 떠나 거리에서 노숙을 시작한 리즈.
If so, then I was 15 when I became homeless. How you doing tonight?
God bless you, kid.
그들은 전철이나 빈 건물에서 잠을 자고 도둑질로 허기를 채우며 아무 미래 없는 삶을 살아갑니다.
And then other times I knew wherever my mother was, that's where my home was.
하지만 죽어가는 엄마를 가만히 내버려 둘 수 없었던 리즈.
But month by month, she was fading away.
Liz?
Yeah.
I miss you.
I couldn't stay here.
Oh, look, Lisa said you stopped going to school.
I'm gonna go back. When you get better.
I can't stop shaking.
That's because of the drinking, you know. You should probably stop. I love you, Mom.
그런데 얼마 뒤
Mom!
We took up a collection.
She's dead, hon. She died yesterday morning.
하지만 아무것도 없이 너무나 조촐하게 치러지는 엄마의 장례식.
My mother was being buried in section 51.
There's no priest?
Not in these cases.
Priest or no priest. She was already rotting.
곧이어 모두가 떠난 자리에 크리스만이 남아 엄마에 관해 추모 문구를 적어줍니다. 하지만
Liz, you know, I can't do this anymore. This is crazy.
결국 크리스마저 떠나버리고 완전히 혼자 남게 된 리즈.
All that's left is the gestures we make. I remember riding with my mother through the leaves when I was little, and she was well. That was long ago.
그렇게 리즈는 엄마를 떠나보내며 마침내 한 가지 결심을 하게 됩니다.
Eva, I don't want to be an idiot. I want to go to school.
그건 바로 그녀가 다시 학교를 다니는 것이었고, 그녀는 문제가 있는 아이들을 도와주는 특수학교를 찾아가 무작정 입학을 요청하죠.
School started 3 weeks ago. We're just about full.
I just need one chance.
다행히 그녀의 당돌한 태도에 직원은 그녀에게 면접 기회를 지어주고,
I knew at that moment I had to make a choice. I could submit to everything that was happening and live a life of excuses. I could push myself and make my life good.
그녀는 그 자리에서 지원서를 작성해 곧이어 교사 데이비드와 만납니다.
My parents both use drugs.
그리고 자신의 불운했던 삶을 털어놓으며 기회를 요청하는 리즈.
Live the lifestyle. But
Well, your grades are very good in elementary school.
I'm smart. I know I can succeed. I just need the chance. The chance to climb out of this place that I've been born in. I mean, my mother died of AIDS. She'd never taken care of me. I took care of her. She was my baby.
Now it's time to take care of yourself. Right? Okay, you're in. We just have to file the paperwork. We've got your transcripts. We have to have a meeting with a parent, legal guardian. Get that in? We're good to go.
그렇게 리즈는 보호소에 들어간 이후 처음으로 아빠를 만나게 되죠.
Dad,
Hey, Lizzie.
I need your help.
그리고 아빠를 설득하여 학교에 도착한 리즈.
Mr. Murray,
Yeah, I'm Peter. I'm grateful that you're taking my daughter in. She's a feminist. Well, I expect you knew that already. Her mother was also a kind of a feminist, too, or something.
We just need you to sign right here.
Yeah, okay. So that's it? I got stuff I gotta do. So.
Yeah, that's it.
다행히 얼렁뚱땅 면담을 해결하고 밖으로 나온 리즈와 아빠.
All right.
I love you, Dad.
Don't love me. It's a waste of energy.
You came today, though.
Yeah.
You were the most interesting thing in my world. It's because of you I know that there's another way of being.
I'll be fine. Stay in school. I blew this. But you can do this.
그렇게 학교에 들어온 리즈는 하루 종일 지하철을 타며 그곳에서 공부하고 식당에서 알바도 시작합니다. 그녀는 학교에서도 특출난 실력을 보이며 첫 시험부터 A-의 성적을 받게 되죠.
Hey, new girl.
You gave me an A-. How do I make it an A?
An A- is an excellent mark.
I want them to be right.
그렇게 자신의 꿈을 위해 하루 종일 공부에 매진하는 리즈.
How many classes are you taking?
Thingies. 10.
So you're trying to do, what, 4 years of high school in 3?
2. I don't want to be 21 before I finish high school.
You're gonna kill yourself, you know.
Now I'm gonna live.
그렇게 시간이 흘러 어느덧 리즈는 학교의 최우수 학생이 되어 있었고,
Well, we decided we would send our top 10 students in the school on a trip to Boston. Well, you're going. You've got the best grades in this whole place, Liz.
학교의 도움으로 하버드대를 견학간 리즈는 자신도 이곳에서 공부할 것을 꿈꿉니다.
So does it look like you thought it would?
Unattainably better.
They're just people.
Not people like me. I was working as hard as I could so I didn't end up on food stamps or hustling. What made them so different?
It would be a reach. It's not impossible.
그러던 어느 날 그녀는 뉴욕타임즈에서 주최하는 장학금 응모에 대해 듣게 되고,
$12,000 every year for 4 years. Can I have a copy of this? I want to go to Harvard and become very developed. Read all the best books.
리즈는 장학금에 응모하여 심사에 통과하고 최종 면접에 참가하기 전 언니 리사를 찾아갑니다.
Lisa?
What are you doing here?
I'm a finalist for a big New York Times scholarship, but I don't have anything to wear. Thank you.
I'm going blind. Like Mama.
Because I was turned so inward by my mom and dad, I got a chance to see how I was never inclined to wonder why this or why that. I just always knew that I needed to get out. I loved my mother. I never forgot she did love me. All the time. I can't go to college or anything without it.
그리고 마침내 뉴욕타임즈로부터 장학금을 받게 된 리즈.
So I'll just introduce to you our 6th New York Times Scholarship winner, Liz Murray.
그녀는 수많은 청중들 앞에서 인사와 함께 인터뷰를 진행합니다.
Liz! Didn't you ever feel sorry for yourself? Sleeping in subways, eating out of dumpsters?
That had always been my life. I had to. There was no going back. I'm gonna work as hard as I possibly can, see what happens.
Is there anything you'd change if you were able?
All of it. If I could have my family back. I got into Harvard. I got a job at the New York Times. I don't have to carry my whole life with me anymore. Now I can lay that burden down, and I can go on. Hi, Mom.